You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a given name, also a family name, surname. It's a Greek word originally, meaning fruitful or abundant in grain, especially. This is also the name of a saint, so it's a biblical figure. So it's all sorts of quite different things. If you want to learn more names from the Bible in particular, stay tuned. This is also the name of a place in Texas. The English pronunciation is simply Eustace. Okay, I know the spelling doesn't really make sense for the pronunciation. So essentially you can remove the E and you just have Eustace. Okay, so again remove all the E's and you spell it U-S-T-A-C, maybe Eustace, with a stress on the first syllable. And you got it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.